Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk on the very important point related to TCS NQT 2026 joining timeline. As you know that many of the candidates are getting offer letter. So first of all, congratulations to all of them and best of luck your future journey. Now on the important conclusion related to joining. So first of all, let me just give a brief update related to admit card for those candidates who are waiting for the admit card. Now the admit card has been out and exam date is on 13th, 14th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 27th April. So probably 27th April will be the last phase of that, and post that students will get the offer letter. So now talking about the joining timeline, so who will get the joining first and who will get late. So first of all friends, if you are 2024 and 2025 batch and you have already been passed now, so you have mark sheet and all those certificates, then you will get the joining first and post that 2026 batch. So if you are 2026 batch, you have to be patient more, because post completing your degree only you will get the joining later. So don't be in a hurry. Many of the comments I am getting related to the joining, that when I will get joining, so you have to be patient. Okay, first of all 2024, then 2025 students will get, and again it completely depends on the business requirement other if they might happen, but they usually don't say after completing your graduation only you will get the joining. Okay, so if you will complete the graduations and if you have successfully passed, then you will get, but if you will get backlog or any year lag, then you will not be eligible for the joining, because they gonna check your mark sheet and certificate. So be careful. अब खासकर जिनको ऑफर आ गया, focus on your exam, semester exam especially. You have to clear this exam with the basic CGPA, because you will be getting the offer and all those things, because if you will not able to clear the exam, you will not getting the joining dates and joining letter. So be careful, that's the thing I want to tell. And post joining there will be ILP. So I have already made a detailed video related to that. So ILP means simply आपको training provide किया जाएगा. So whatever the domain you are gonna work, they will provide training like AI, ML, data science, machine learning, SAP, Android development. So they will provide all the training to you and you will be basically guided. And friends must go through our video related to BGC, that will be बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन, क्योंकि ऑफर लेटर के बाद भाई आप लोगों का बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन होगा, एंड इफ यू विल फेल इन बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन देन योर ज्वाइनिंग मे बी डिले. इट माइट बी डिले विद what can I say, 1 year or 2 month, 3 month, 30 days. It completely depend on them. So don't be late and don't do any negative things from your side. That's what you can say. Otherwise your joining will be delay and you might say, or you might be in a tense position. Okay, so those who got the admit card, so just focus on the coding questions which I have already provided related to that, and just follow the PYQs. Coding questions are being repeated. Now friends, again if any hard question came, then I can't say that okay means you have to be prepared enough, but at least अगर आप array string कर लेंगे तो one question solve होना चाहिए, until and unless your bad luck was there. So that's all thing I want to tell. Hope video informative to you friends. We can connect on LinkedIn, and if you have any query you can ask there, and those who have selected for interview also you can fill our mock interview form link in the description. Will provide complete guidance and help you to clear the exam. We have already provided more than 50 plus selections in this, and lots of selections are getting on. So congratulations, and भाई आप लोग अच्छे से मेहनत करें, खासकर जिनका एग्जाम फर्दर है. If you have any query, we are here to help you. You can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I will provide all the preparation material there, like the aptitude questions, reasoning questions, English questions, that will be helpful for you. And those who have exam, just go with your original either Aadhaar card, PAN card, one photo ID card and admit card, otherwise you will not allowed to enter. So these all things I want to tell. So main things again saying, joining you have to wait patiently. Okay, if you got the offer letter, you should be not worry in a hurry position, or you should not worry that whether you will get or not. 100 and 200% you will get, because TCS have lots of requirement. They have just revoke, I can say, means they have basically lay off many candidates now, so that's why they have lots of vacancies. So you should not be worried about this. होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. कोई भी क्वेरी है फील फ्री टू आंसर कमेंट है. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.